What is the Series 66? In this video, I will explain this exam and include some secrets for passing the Series 66 on your first attempt. Hi, I'm Suzy Rhoades with PassMasters. The Series 66 is for individuals looking to be registered as investment advisor representatives. The exam is written by NASA, the North American Securities Administrators Association, and administered by FINRA. Who can take the Series 66? Anyone, so long as you are age 18 or older. Does the Series 66 have a corequisite exam? It does. So it only makes sense to take the Series 66 if you already have or are planning on getting your Series 7, your stockbroker's license. So Series 66 is a combined state law exam. It allows you to register as both an agent and as an investment advisor representative. So if you already have your Series 7 and 63, then either the 66 or 65 would allow you to register as an investment advisor representative. So if your firm is telling you you have to take the 66, that's fine. Just take the 66, although you don't have to because you already have your 63. If you're getting your Series 7 or already have your Series 7, but don't yet have your 63, then the 66 allows you to take one test and register in a state as both an agent and as an investment advisor representative. So you don't have to have the Series 7 to take the 66, but in order to register in a state, once you pass the 66 to register in a state as an agent, you must also pass the Series 7. I do recommend taking and passing your Series 7 before the Series 66. There's a lot of overlap within the product information area, so 7 first will be helpful for the Series 66. How to register for the Series 66 exam. It's going to depend on if you already have your 7 or not. So if you have your 7, your associated person with a member firm, the firm is going to file Form U4 through the CRD and open up your window to take the test. If you are not yet with a firm, you can. Anyone can take the 66, but it only makes sense to take it if you plan on being a stockbroker. So you can register for the Series 66 by filing Form U10. It is filed online through FINRA's Test Enrollment Services system. What products does the Series 66 allow you to sell? None. It's not a product license. Your product license for Series 66 is your Series 7. Your stockbroker license, 66 satisfies the need to register as an agent, so you charge a commission for the sales of securities products. But Series 66 also allows you to be registered as an investment advisor representative, charging a fee for investment advice. So in this situation, your Series 7, you wear one hat, charge a commission. With your Series 66, you wear a different hat and charge a fee for investment advice. But it's not itself a product license. Some details about the Series 66 exam. There are 100 questions. It is written in a multiple choice format. They allow 2 hours and 30 minutes for this exam. The passing score is a 73. The cost to register for the exam is $177. What's on the Series 66 exam? The content outline is published by NASA. It includes 4 sections. The first section is economic factors and business information. It is 8 questions. The second section is investment vehicle characteristics, and that's 17 questions. So if you've done your Series 7 first, this is a review of the information that you learned for your Series 7. The third section, client investment recommendations and strategies, that section is 30 questions. The final section, Section 4, laws, regulations, and guidelines, including prohibition on unethical business practices. That is 45 questions. So this exam, combined state law exam, you have to do well on the law questions. It's 45% of the test. How to pass the Series 66 exam? I'll let you in on a secret. PassMasters and a whole lot of hard work. Let me show you how our course is laid out to ensure that you can master the content and pass your exam on your very first attempt. So I've taken NASA's content outline and I've broken down the sections into manageable topics. The first topic in Series 66 is analytical methods. Each topic includes 3 types of assignments, starting off with a PDF. What's next? 500. You need to feel. So first you read and then you watch. That's me. I'm your personal instructor. You can watch me wherever, whenever it fits your schedule. You can slow me down or speed me up. You can watch me multiple times. So reading the content first, then watching the video, that's a secret to passing this test. So you have to know what the concepts mean. And in the video, I will explain in detail how to understand those concepts. Following the topic video will be a topic quiz. Each question has not only a written explanation, but also includes an audio explanation. The quick ratio is, so you have. Once you complete all the topics within a section, there is a section review. The section review begins with key facts videos. Beta is used to measure the variability between a specific stock's rate. Key facts are frequently tested content. Next, you will have a properly weighted section exam. After you complete all 4 sections, the course concludes with a final exam. The final exam is properly weighted to mirror the content outline published by NASA. It is 100 questions long. The Series 66 is a heck of a challenging test. You are going to need to study. So a lot of you already have your Series 7. Do not let that give you a false sense of confidence. The passing score being a 73 for the Series 66 and it being so law heavy means that you must study, study, study. I'm here to help. Be sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn your notifications on. If you have any questions at all about the Series 66, just ask in the comments below. If you'd like to explore our course offerings further or to enroll in the Series 66 course, just click on the link found in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to have you as a student soon. You got this.